A student finds the average of 10 positive integers. Each integer contains 2 digits. By mistake, the boy interchanged the digits of one of the numbers, say BA for AB. Right? When we write a 2-digit number, right? When we write a 2-digit number, let's say I am writing 23. So actually the meaning of 23 is 10 into 2 plus 3. Right? This is the meaning. So similarly, when this number interchanging the digit of the number say BA for AB, so जो number BA था, right? BA का actual meaning था 10B plus A. उसकी जगह उसने replace क्या कर दिया? Replaced with, right, AB. AB means 10A plus B. Okay, so I think you have practice sheets in your account. You can just call the helpline number to get that. Practice sheets तुम्हारी साथ साथ सबकी सारी sheets आ रही हैं. Okay, now instead of 10B plus A, the replaced one is 10A plus B, right? Okay, the replaced one is 10A plus B. Okay, the average is reduced. Okay, wait a minute. We will write it again. The original one original one was BA, which was 10B plus A, and we replaced as AB, so which is 10A plus B. Now this is the reduction of if you subtract it, right? If you subtract the second one, replaced with you are replacing with the lower thing, right? So subtraction is, it is 9B minus 9A, right? So this is the reduction of 9B minus 9A. Which is given as now if the average is 1.8 less, so the total will be, you can say the total is this much less. If total is this much less, when divided by 10, this will be the reduction in the average. So 9B minus 9A is nothing but 18. Or B minus A is nothing but 2. So the difference in the digits A and B will be 2. This is the reduction in the total, right? Reduction in the total. So when reduction in total divided by 10, this will be reduction in average. Right? So hence B minus A would be 2. Okay.